All right, all right. Welcome to Introductory Performance Seminar. And today, so far, we have two students with us, Adam and Kalina. We are expecting one more student to join. Hopefully, it's gonna happen pretty soon. Serena. Okay, so let me take attendance and we're gonna get started.
Okay.
Adam is here, Kalina. Thank you guys for being on time. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. All right. Okay. So, as you know, the Introductory Performance Seminar, that's the class where we're going to go over your piece of music. We're going to perform what you've been practicing so far. And the second part of the seminar, we're going to see how we can improve it even more together, right? Maybe we can help each other. Maybe we can together learn something new. Maybe review something that you already know but maybe forgot. So it's going to be fun class. It's so good to have you here. All right, so we're going to get started. And let's start with Kalina. Kalina, so please make sure that your original sound for musicians is on. And go ahead and introduce yourself and piece of music you're playing today.
Hi, my name is Kalina, and I'm going to be playing Now Dance.
All right. Whatever you're ready. All right. Great job, Kalina. That sounded nice and steady and very, very intentional with dynamics. I can really see that you've been working so hard on polishing it and counting it. And did you play it by memory?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, good job. Excellent job. Okay, so we're gonna talk a little bit more. What else we could do to even make it sound better? Right after we hear Autumn. So, Autumn, you're next. Please introduce yourself and music you're playing today.
Hi, my name is Adam, and I'm going to be playing golf for this.
All right. Great job. Very good performance and very nice and steady with all the notes playing correct. And was it hard for you to play it with accompaniment? I noticed that you're playing like a musical background with the beats. Was it hard for you to practice with that?
Can you just say that one more time?
Yeah, I noticed that you played it not just by yourself. You played it with the musical background. Yeah. And my question is, was it hard for you to practice with musical background?
Um, Not really. I just had to I mean, it was a little bit, but like, and then until I got to used of it, I started getting a lot easier.
Yeah, and I can see that this accompaniment musical background that you're using, it could be serving as a metronome, right? To keeping you right on beats and keeping nice and steady. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, great job. It's really nice to hear this type of performance. Okay, guys, so thank you for your beautiful performance. Let's go back to Kalina's piece. And um, Kalina, so you're probably preparing this for final recording for CM, is that correct? Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
but I have to do to her point. I have to do I think I have to do the one with all the articulation.
all the articulation. Yeah, so would you like to work on articulation?
Sure.
Yeah, so when you say articulation, what do you mean by that?
Like, all like the rhythm, the the rhythm, like or like the hold like this, like
The notes connected. Yes, you're exactly right. So when we talk about how we play notes connected together or separated, this is we talk about articulation. It's like how you say the words. If you say the words, like you could say hello, right? Or you could say hi, right? So it sounds different, right? Hello sounds more like a legato because you're connecting letters together. And hi sounds more like what's articulation, you know? The opposite legato.
yeah,
What is it called? Who remember?
staccato.
Staccato. Yes, yes. So do you have any staccatos in your piece?
No.
Yeah, Adam, do you see any staccatos? Staccato notes? Do you know what staccatos are?
No.
Okay, that's good. So you see that Kalina, in her piece, right above the notes, she has this line that goes like a rainbow over all the notes. Yeah. Do you know what that line is?
Um. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
Uh.
And that's okay if you don't remember. Just explain what you know.
I'm. I think it's like where you like connect notes.
Exactly. Yeah. Do you remember the word for that sign?
Yeah.
What is it?
Staccato. I think.
No, that's legato or slur. Yeah.
Wait, I
So
like it.
yeah, so when you see this line connecting notes, that's called legato. But when you see those dots, like for example, if we would have a dot below under the notes or above the notes like this, that's how would we play it. Kalina, can you go ahead and play just the right hand legato and then staccato so Adam can hear the difference?
So, do you want me to do legato first?
Yeah, let's do legato first.
So just the right hand.
Just the right hand. Okay, and now let's see how it's gonna sound if you play staccato. Yeah, Adam, so did you hear the difference between staccato and legato?
Um, Not really, cause it just keeps it like a bit quieter. Like,
Yeah, Kalina, yeah, I'm noticing. Is your original sound for musicians on? Can you check, please? It's kind of like going in and out. So we hear you, but sometimes sound is going in and out. So that's why maybe I was thinking maybe your original sound for musician is not on. Yeah, yeah. So Adam, I'm gonna play on my piano. Can you hear my piano? Can you hear? And now I'm gonna play staccato. hear the difference now?
Yeah, like it, like
Yeah. So that's called articulation, the way we touching the keys. And Kalina, you're right. You need to be able to play how many notes under one slur? How many notes connected? A lot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and if you're gonna be adding more dynamic, do you know what's this? Those two signs, this one and this one. So what does it mean?
I know. It's like so. Like it's like when you go like so. For example, like a small to loud.
Yeah, it's going
Quiet.
louder. Yeah, going louder. And then when you see this facing the other way, that's going softer. So how do we call it? Is who remembers the words? Crescendo, yeah, louder. And diminuendo. Diminuendo, softer. So we have this sign like growing dynamic. It's like have you heard the for example train, when the train so far away so you can hear it, but it's kind of like you hear it far away. But then once the train approaching you and passing by you, you sometimes even need to close your ears because it's so loud, right? Did you hear that? Sometimes. So this is what we're doing when we see crescendo and diminuendo. We're going louder and softer gradually. Okay, Kalina, can you go ahead and try to play first line with both hands together, showing this crescendo and diminuendo, please?
And I do know. Oh, do you want me to play quiet? Because I want.
Yeah, because we start how? Piano means what? Adam, do you know what piano means? What is piano for?
uh
Is it loud or soft?
I don't think I've heard the dynamic, but I know I've heard like mezzo forte and
Yeah, so that's
piano.
good. So mezzo piano, is it gonna be softer or louder?
Softer.
Softer, yeah. So piano is gonna be even more soft. So piano is soft. Okay, Kalina, so go ahead, let's do first line. Beautiful, that was so good. Thank you so much. Yeah, I hear that it's really brought the shape of the phrase much more like more colorful, made the music more colorful. Okay, very good. So what would be the loudest part of your piece?
The loudest part is like kind of like the output when it like opens up at the end.
Yeah, but if you look at the line 1, 2, 3, and 4, which line is gonna be the loudest?
Measure the third.
Yeah, third line, right? And it sounds like you playing the same thing in the right hand, yeah?
Yeah.
No, not the same, it's just the third up. But the rhythm is gonna be, the rhythmical pattern is exactly the same as you play the first line. And the rhythmical pattern is kind of repeats. Here, da 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 da. Another thing that you could show, you could show in your music that you see how the right hand starts, da 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 da, and then left hand's playing. It's kind of left hand's being a copycat, yeah. And here now left hand starts, and right hand being a copycat. So you can show that. Then left hand starts. Da, da, da. Right hand.
Also, a thing that helps me with dynamic is like a crescendo, like the crescendo, and it helps like when I move my body to like
Moving your body, yes, yes, I noticing, because when we playing piano, we're not just using fingers. We could help with our whole body to move the music forward. Yeah, that's really good point. Good point, Kalina. Good job. Okay, now can you play a third line? See if you can play this line louder and show the copycat in the right hand.
Alright.
Yeah, but it's gonna be higher, Kalina. It's gonna be on treble C.
Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it. You got it. So you're doing a great job. I think you, if you add a little bit more of the this melody and left hand repeating the melody, like we did highlight it here, and if you bring crescendo, diminuendo, and dynamic, you're ready for final recording. You're gonna do so good, and you're gonna get the high score. All right, thank you so much for working so hard on this. Let's go to Adam's piece and we're gonna see if there is any dynamic in Adam's piece. Okay, Adam, so can you find, wow, look, you got plenty of dynamic. You see this?
Yeah.
You see this? What does it mean?
I think
That's
mm,
that's
like
the same what Kalina has in her piece, yeah? Crescendo and diminuendo.
Yeah.
So this one is diminuendo. It means that the second note is gonna be played louder or softer. This note.
Softer.
Softer. We're gonna put piano. And this C, how is it gonna play it? Loud or soft?
Soft.
Soft piano. Good. And then right here, how are you gonna start the piece? Is it gonna be loud or soft? How do you play it in the beginning?
Loud.
Loud, yes. And then right here, it's gonna get louder, maybe forte, but then piano at the end, right? And then, what do you call this? Two notes connected together. Kalina had this. We went over it in
A
her
slur.
piece. A slur, yeah. You connect the notes together, right? But is this one is a slur?
Yeah. No, I don't think so.
That's a trick question, yeah? Because it looks like a slur, but it's not. How do we call this? Kalina, do you remember? Do you want to help out Adam?
Legato.
No, it's not legato.
Wait.
Legato call when you have two different notes connected. But when you have two same notes connected, yes, Adam. Do you remember now?
Yeah, I think it's a tie.
Tie, yes. Do you have to play the second one?
No.
No. Who's fast on the counting musical math? How many beats you gonna hold it? Let's see.
I think like 6.
Exactly, yeah, because whole note 4 beats and plus half notes 2 beats equals 6 beats to hold. Yeah. All right, and this is the slur or is it the tie?
This is a slur.
Slur. Okay. All right, very good. Adam, could you play your piece again? But this time try to make all those dynamical changes, like playing loud in the beginning and then softer those notes that we circled and put piano. Okay, can we do it one more time?
Okay, let me just put like the teacher down.
Yeah, very good. Is your piano can make the difference between loud and soft or no?
Let me try.
Can you play as loud as you can? And now play soft. Yeah, it can make the difference. Yeah. So it just depends how much pressure you're gonna put on the keys. Then that depends on the sound you're gonna make. All right, guys, you did such an awesome job on practicing on your dynamics and reviewing what the slur is and what staccato is and what the tie is. All right, great job. Congratulations on your beautiful performance. And thank you so much for being here. I'm looking forward to see you next time. Bye. Have a good rest of the evening. Bye.